Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'll be showing you how we can change audio speed on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all we need to create new project on InShot. Click on the video and you have to click on new and select the blank clip. Okay, and click on the check mark, and we're going to import the audio that we want to change the speed. We need to click on music option, click on music again, and I'm going to import an audio from my device. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, then we can click on the check mark and you can extend the clip to make it align with the audio. And we're going to save this clip. Just click on the save button and click on the save button, and you have to wait until the video has been saved to your device. Okay, and we can go back to the InShot homepage. You can create new project again and import the video we have just saved to our device, this one. Okay, and we're going to change the speed of this video. You can click on the speed option and you can select the speed that you want to apply to your audio, and I'm going to make it 2 times faster like this, and we're going to save this video again. Okay, once you're done, you can use this video for your editing on InShot. Wait guys, okay, and I'm just going to open my draft on InShot, and I'm going to extract the video. We just need to click on the music option and click on the music option again, and you can click on extract audio from a video. Then we can select the video that we have, just make it faster. Okay, and I guess that's how we can change the audio speed on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.